In mathematics, most equations you have seen can be cracked with simple algebra. For example, logarithms were invented to deal with exponents. But sometimes even logs are not enough. Then what you will do? So our mathematicians invented a new tool that is Lambert W function. Today, I'll show you how this hidden function turns impossible equations into clean answers. Our question is 3125 power x is equal to 1 by x. So take x into left side, then we get as x into 3125 power x is equal to 1. Now how we can turn this equation into a Lambert W function. First of all, we have to know about what is Lambert W function. Suppose we have a function that t e power t. If we apply Lambert function to this expression, then we get as w of t e power t is equal to t only. We know that e power natural log of air is equal to air. So we can write it as e power natural log of 3125 is equal to 3125. So write this in place of 3125. We can get as x into e power natural log of 3125 whole power x is equal to 1. This is in the form of e power m all power n. We can write it as e power mn. By rewriting as we get x into e power x into natural log of 3125 is equal to 1. Multiply both sides by ln 3125. Now apply Lambert W function. W of x into ln 3125 e power x into ln 3125 is equal to w of ln 3125. So this is in the form of w of t e power t, so we get the answer as t only. So we have got as x into ln 3125 is equal to w of ln 3125. So take t is equal to x into ln of 3125. So t is equal to w of ln 3125. 3125 we can write it as 5 power 5. This we can write it as w of 5 ln of 5. 5 we can write it as e power ln 5. So Lambert W function of ln 5 into e power ln 5 is ln 5. But our t value is x into ln 3125. Substitute the value in t, then we get as x into ln 3125 is equal to ln 5. 3125 we can write it as 5 power 5. So we can write it as x into 5 ln 5 is equal to ln 5. ln 5 and ln 5 will cancel out. Then x is equal to 1 by 5. So we have got the answer as x is equal to 1 by 5. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget subscribe.